So as you can see behind me right now, my lawn is not looking too bad for this time of the year. It's hot, it's about 105 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius, and up to this point, I haven't really had many issues to deal with. That changed a couple weeks ago when some clover started popping up, and I didn't take care of it right away, so now I have a few patches of clover to take care of. In this video, I'm going to show you how I take care of those. Now, there are a number of reasons why you might find clover in your lawn. I'm not going to get into that today. All I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I get rid of it. So now here's a look at that clover. Got a little more popping up over here, as you can see. And a little bit right here as well. Now, before you get too far into this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. You'll have access to this and a whole collection of other helpful lawn care tips. There are, of course, a collection of products on the market to help you get rid of clover. A lot of chemicals on the market, pretty harsh, pretty strong stuff. But you really don't need that. Clover is not hard to get rid of, and as I said, I'll show you how I do it here. Now, the product that I use to get rid of the clover is a product called Fiesta. Fiesta is a chelated iron, chelated iron weed killer. It's abbreviated Fe, hepta, which is the Fe for iron, and hepta, which is a very long 25-letter word that I'm not going to try to pronounce for this video. It's not a harsh chemical, and it's generally considered safe to humans, pets, and lawns as well. Make sure that you read the label to make sure that this product will not hurt the type of grass you have, and so that you know what precautions you need to take before using it. Now, this product is very effective after one use. I would say that you would normally experience about 60% reduction in clover. After 2 applications, I find that my clover is normally completely gone. So it's very similar to a chemical that you might use as well. Of course, Fiesta is not the only chelated iron herbicide on the market. You also have Iron X, and there's Natria lawn weed killer, and others as well. So now I'm going to go change. We'll put down an application. We'll take a look at it within a few hours. We'll look at it after a few days, and you'll be able to see the results of this after just one application. I could use things like 2,4-D or another type of herbicide, but I choose to use an iron-based herbicide, which is rain fast in about 3 hours. You can walk on it within 3 hours. Children can walk on it, play on it within 3 hours, although I recommend 24. Pets can be on it within 3 hours. The biggest risk that you have with this product is the potential of staining. As I said, it is an iron product. So now, with that first application down, we'll come back and we'll have a look in 24 hours. We'll look again in 48 hours, and then again in 72 hours. So there you have it, a simple, effective, and relatively inexpensive way to eliminate clover in your lawn. You can add this to your arsenal, and that product actually works on a whole collection of different broadleaf weeds. I'm Jeff Seaton. This has been Jeff Seaton Lawn Care. Thank you for watching.